So I think I might have a mouse problem, and I'm not happy about it. Going to set some traps. It's a little bucket 2x4 with a little bit of peanut butter trick that I got from Cheap RV Living, Bob Wells's channel. Essentially the mouse crawls up because it smells the peanut butter that's stuck down in there, and the water's too deep for the mouse to get out, and then it drowns essentially, and then it's easy disposal. But you can put dryer sheets in here and it repels mice and rodents also, so I'm going to leave those in here overnight, make sure they at least stay out of the engine bay, and hopefully I catch the mouse that is wreaking havoc on my food and apparently dragging it over to put it in my guitar case, which I find really weird. This is living in a car, baby.
All right, so I just woke up. Let's get out and see if this mouse is here. So here's the trap. Oh, yep. We got him. We got the mouse. So hopefully that solves that issue. I don't love it. Now I got to clean that up. So I will probably scoop the mouse out, throw it away, and then dump the water out. But I'm somewhat relieved. I don't love that. I don't love that I have that dead mouse to deal with now, but I can't have a mouse in here tearing up my electrical wiring and all my food and stuff like that. So gotta be done, and it sucks, but at least the mouse died out there. We'll take care of it though and go from there.